To make any size fresh baked waffle cone using the stainless steel cone rolling mandrel base, follow these procedures. Take a freshly baked waffle off the baker and slide it under the conical opening on the tray. Insert the mandrel into the opening on the top of the waffle and gently push forward. Turn the roller counterclockwise until you see the seam where the two edges have met. Roll the cone quickly, applying pressure to the shape as needed. Take the cone off the roller and place it in a cooling rack or display case. The result is a tightly rolled, uniformly shaped fresh waffle cone that is stackable and virtually leak-proof.